This is going to blow your mind. Ever wondered how your favorite YouTubers make those insane amounts of money? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into the world of YouTube riches. From gaming to makeup and tech reviews to vlogs, these digital stars are not just making a living, they are amassing fortunes that rival traditional celebrities. So who are the top earners in this digital age? Let's dive in and find out if your guesses are correct. Let's find out if you're right. The competition is fierce, and the numbers are staggering. These YouTubers have not only captured the hearts of millions, but also their wallets. Their innovative content, relentless work ethic, and unique personalities have propelled them to the top of the financial ladder. So without further ado, let's unveil the top 5 richest YouTubers of 2024. First up, we've got Mr. Beast. Surprise, surprise! Known for his over-the-top stunts and philanthropic endeavors, Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, has taken the YouTube world by storm. His videos often feature him giving away large sums of money, cars, and even houses. This year, he's pulled in a jaw-dropping $100 million. His unique approach to content creation, where he combines entertainment with generosity, has not only earned him a massive following, but also a substantial income. With his insane stunts and generosity, he's pulled in a jaw-dropping $100 million this year. From recreating Squid Game to planting 20 million trees, Mr. Beast's projects are as ambitious as they are expensive. But clearly the investment pays off. His ability to engage viewers with high-stakes challenges and heartwarming acts of kindness has set him apart in the crowded YouTube space. That's a lot of burgers. And speaking of burgers, his Mr. Beast burger chain has also contributed significantly to his earnings. By leveraging his online fame into a real-world business, he's shown that the influence of YouTubers extends far beyond the digital realm. Next, meet our gaming guru, PewDiePie. Felix Kjellberg, better known as PewDiePie, has been a staple in the YouTube community for over a decade. His Let's Play videos and humorous commentary have garnered him a loyal fan base. Despite stepping back from daily uploads, he's still going strong with $75 million in earnings this year. His influence in the gaming world is undeniable, and his ability to adapt and evolve his content has kept him relevant and profitable. Still going strong with $75 million, PewDiePie's journey from a small-time gamer to a global sensation is nothing short of inspirational. His content has evolved over the years, incorporating vlogs, meme reviews, and more. But his core remains the same, entertaining his audience with his unique brand of humor and personality. Guess those Let's Plays really pay off. His success is a testament to the power of authenticity and staying true to oneself. PewDiePie has shown that with passion and perseverance, one can turn a hobby into a highly lucrative career. And don't forget about the makeup mogul, Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star is not just a YouTuber, he's a brand. With his bold personality and high-quality makeup products, he's carved out a niche in the beauty industry. This year, he's blending up a cool $50 million with those exclusive palettes. His success on YouTube has translated into a thriving business empire, proving that the platform can be a launchpad for entrepreneurial ventures. He's blending up a cool $50 million with those exclusive palettes. Jeffree's journey from MySpace musician to YouTube beauty guru is a fascinating one. His ability to reinvent himself and stay ahead of trends has kept him at the forefront of the beauty community. Talk about making up for it. His collaborations with other influencers and celebrities have further boosted his profile and earnings. Jeffree Star is a prime example of how diversifying one's brand can lead to immense financial success. Coming in hot, we have the vlogger queen, Emma Chamberlain. Emma's rise to fame has been meteoric. Known for her relatable and quirky content, she's amassed a huge following in a short amount of time. This year, she's got $40 million in the bank from her hilarious and relatable content. Her ability to connect with her audience on a personal level has made her one of the most beloved figures on YouTube. She's got $40 million in the bank from her hilarious and relatable content. Look who's laughing now. Emma's success is a testament to the power of authenticity. Her unfiltered approach to vlogging has resonated with millions, making her a household name and a highly sought-after brand ambassador. And last but not least, the tech wizard, Marcus Brownlee, banking $35 million. Marks, also known as MKBHD, is the go-to guy for tech reviews. His in-depth analysis and high-quality production have earned him a loyal following and significant earnings. This year, he's banking $35 million. His ability to break down complex tech topics into easily digestible content has made him a trusted voice in the tech community. Unboxing and reviews have never looked so profitable. Mark's meticulous attention to detail and commitment to quality have set him apart in the tech review space. His influence extends beyond YouTube, with appearances on major tech panels and collaborations with leading tech companies. So there you have it, the top YouTube moneymakers of 2024. These creators have not only entertained us, but also built empires through their innovative content and entrepreneurial spirit. Their success stories are a source of inspiration for aspiring YouTubers everywhere. The top YouTube moneymakers of 2024. Each of these YouTubers has carved out a unique niche and leveraged their platform to achieve incredible financial success. Their journeys remind us that with creativity, dedication, and a bit of luck, the possibilities are endless. Who knew watching videos could be so lucrative? The digital age has opened up new avenues for wealth creation, and these YouTubers are leading the charge. Their stories are a testament to the power of the internet and the opportunities it presents. Keep creating, and who knows, maybe you'll be on this list next year. The world of YouTube is ever evolving, and there's always room for new talent. So, if you have a passion and camera, start creating. You never know where it might take you. Maybe you'll be on this list next year. The future is bright for content creators, and the next big YouTube star could be you. So, keep dreaming, keep creating, and who knows, you might just find yourself among the richest YouTubers